This is the all-new JBL Quantum 950. It's finally launched in Australia and I'm so excited to show you this. This new range looks incredible, so let's unbox this together. There's a few new features with this headset that I want to show you. This is the flagship headset, the Quantum 950, but we have the black version of this headset here and the white and silver. That is a must for me. It looks absolutely beautiful, but let's start off with this. All right, let's check out the new headset. Oh my god. Oh, that looks so good. And it's so light too. I actually forgot how light it was. This is awesome. So this is a new base station and it has a dial on here for audio, I believe, as well as a spot to charge the battery. This is absolutely genius. But again, we'll get into that in a second. So in here, you actually get 2 batteries. Okay, that's actually really good to know. So you can always have one charged, ready to go. I'm trying to test my memory right now of what I saw at Gamescom, because this feels completely new to me again, and I am really excited to get it all set up and learn it. Okay, so we have new cabling as well. This feels awesome. It's a nice braided charge cable, purple and orange of course. This will be the calibration microphone. This is our 3.5mm to USB-C cable, and then of course we have the detachable microphone. Now this is completely new, very different to what we've seen, but this was a flick up to mute. We don't have that anymore. We actually have a detachable version, which I quite like because I'm someone that doesn't really chat online much. Very rarely. If I'm playing online games with my husband, I will, but most of the time if I'm using a headset, I'm not really using the microphone. So to be able to unplug it, I think is a major win. This is bendable. You can move it around to get it in a better position if need be. There's a few different things I want to show you. For starters, the design is different. As you can see, we now have a headband inside. This one is so comfortable. Oh wow, I love it. It just feels so much more lightweight as well compared to this. This is actually quite heavy in comparison. It just fits so snug. It's really comfortable with this strap here. Secondly, these cups actually come off. So they are magnetic, which I love. This is a really great feature for replacements down the line if you do need to replace them. And then this part, these are also magnetic. These side caps come off because the battery sits in here. But what makes it even better is this here. So this is the all new base station, which I'm so excited to learn about. You can actually put the spare battery in here and have that charging at all times. So you really have no reason to go flat because you get 2 batteries in the box that are swappable. I think that is incredible because not everybody wants to play and charge at the same time. This is a much better option.
The JBL Quantum 950 wireless is a flagship game changer, building on the brand's trusted audio experience in new ways. With their 50mm carbon dynamic drivers, this new wireless headset is lighter, yet more powerful. It introduces the new base station, giving you the ability to adjust settings like volume, game chat balance, even spatial audio and noise cancelling. It also acts as the connector for your headset, ditching the USB dongle, but still providing a dual 2.4 GHz low latency connection, which connects to your PC via USB-C. Not to mention, Bluetooth 5.3 gives you a true hybrid headset that you can use comfortably outside of your gaming room. And with EQ customization and enhancements, you'll hear every step, every shot, and every sound effect in crystal clear quality, all tuned to your preferred taste. And turn on 3D head tracking to fully immerse yourself in your game. Full control over your sound experience is the key to play. An all-new removable microphone means enhancements to the quality using AI in the revamped JBL Quantum engine to reduce background noise and dial in on your voice for clear comms. Comfort, reliability, and premium improvements all around make this a true flagship system that is fit for all types of gamers and users.
I forgot how good these look. It's been a couple of months since I've seen them in person and they just look incredible. The detailing of this color combo, you've got the black with the purple and the orange. I think that looks stunning, as well as the matte ear cups, and then you've got like this chrome bit around the edge. No more RGB, which I think is such a great move because I personally am sick of RGB. Even though I've got like a couple of lights behind me, but on my headsets, like I don't really care. I don't see it when I'm wearing the headset, so it shouldn't really matter. This is so nice. So this is the mic kind of outwards, but I can curve it in if I want to. I'm really excited about this though because this is an all new microphone, so hopefully it sounds a lot better. We will obviously test that out. As you can tell, I am super excited about this new range, and having seen them last year and not really being able to talk about them much was so difficult because this is a much needed change in my eyes and a really good change that I'm confident a lot of you are going to love. So if you have these already, because I know some parts of the world already have them, what do you think? Let me know down below. I would love to know your thoughts. I personally am so excited to use them and make them my daily because as much as I love this, I think these look a lot more premium and feel a lot more premium. I'm spoiled for choice. I have too many headsets. But anyway, that's another story for another time. If you want to see an unboxing of the Quantum 650 and the Quantum 250, be sure to subscribe. There's going to be a lot of content on these. You know, I'm your go-to for JBL Quantum, and I look forward to teaching you more about this range because I'm super excited about it, as you can tell. Oh, they're so good. I love them so much.